All right, so today's YouTube short for Needle, Ink, and Thread is going to be how to make sure that your measuring tape is still accurate for taking measurements, especially for taking your personal body measurements. We want to make sure those are accurate so that when we take a pattern and make it, that everything is good to go. So how we do that is we're going to find a solid ruler or a basically printed ruler so that there is no way that it can be stretched and shifted. So what we're going to do is take our measuring tape. We're going to take this and put it right in the corner at the angle, at a 90-degree angle, and then we're going to smooth my measuring tape down onto the table. As you can see, it is pretty accurate. There is a slight shift on the top number, but the bottom number seems to be measuring up with, actually, hold on. It looks like it's measuring up pretty accurately. My measuring tape is slightly stretched out, and you can tell that by the wobbliness on that top edge. The bottom is flat, but that top edge is kind of wobbly, and you can see it better when I go like this. You can see how this kind of pulls forward. So this tape measure has been stretched out. Measuring tape. One thing is this is a plastic measuring tape, which means that over time, as you're pulling it to measure your body or measure an item, this will stretch out. Plastic stretches. If you want to get yourself one that is not going to be able to stretch, you're going to look for a fiberglass measuring tape. There is a really good company that is in Europe that is called Merchant and Mills, and they do carry fiberglass measuring tapes, and they're kind of cool too. They're black and white, really easy to see. The tape is black, but the measurements are white. But you can see here when I measure, we just want to put it up against a solid surface that's not going to shift or change or stretch. And as you can see, my measuring is slightly off, which means if I use this measuring tape to take a measurement on my body or somebody else's body, it's not going to be true. So you're going to take this measuring tape, crumple it up, throw it away, buy yourself a new one.